Have you ever wondered what a lion and a Lamborghini hybrid would look like? Or how about a Ophiophagus fused with a hedgehog, or even a Spider-Man combined with a Gigantopithecus? Sounds crazy, right? Well, what if I told you that you could create these wild hybrid animal shorts with the help of AI, and they could go viral? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create these hybrids and use them to supercharge your YouTube Shorts game. You've probably seen videos like this pop up on your Shorts feed recently. They're fascinating, creative, and most importantly, they're going viral like crazy. But why are these so popular? Let me show you an example. Take a look at this channel called AI Creator. They've already gained 332,000 subscribers and racked up an unbelievable 98 million views. Or Planet of I channel with 310,000 subscribers and 80 million views. Yes, million. And according to Social Blade, they're estimated to earn between $1,100 to $18,300 every single month. Imagine what even a fraction of that could do for you. Now, before we dive into the how, let's talk about the why. People love these videos because they're super creative, visually stunning, and fun to watch. Plus, they're short and shareable, perfect for the YouTube Shorts format. If you want to stand out and ride this trend to grow your channel and even make money, you've come to the right place. I'll not only teach you how to create these hybrid animal shorts step by step, but also give you some tips to outperform your competition in this niche. Ready? Let's dive in. Step 1. Understanding the concept. First, let's break down the structure of a viral hybrid short. Here's what most creators are doing. 1. They show two images. The first image, for example, shows a lion and a Lamborghini facing each other. 2. Then, they create a dramatic transformation sequence where these two merge into one hybrid creature. 3. Finally, they add voiceovers, music, and effects to create an engaging story. But here's the thing. If you just copy what others are doing, your videos will blend in. So, I'm also going to show you how to add your own creative flair to stand out. Check out the rest of the video, where I give you some tips on how to monetize your channel with videos later on. As you can see, the AI Creator channel is monetized, but the channel Bionic AI is not monetized. Okay, let's move in Step 2. Step 2. Generating the images. Now, we need our images. This is where AI tools like ChatGPT and image generators come in. Start by asking ChatGPT to write detailed prompts for your images. For example, I might ask it to create a prompt for an image of a Spider-Man and an Australopithecus facing each other in New York City. Then, ask a prompt for a hybrid version like a fusion of a Spider-Man and a Gigantopithecus using the same background. These detailed prompts will ensure that your images look amazing. However, to make it easy for you and help you create a professional image that has more appeal and a chance to go viral, I have created a series of these prompts that you can simply copy and paste into the ChatGPT text box. You can download them for free in my video description below. After ChatGPT, recommend creature pairs and environments. Simply copy and paste the desired pair. ChatGPT will then create these prompts for you. Then copy and paste each prompt into the image generators to create your images. I have tried more than 10 different tools for image generators. Here I recommend you the best 5 tools that you can use to generate an image from the above prompt. Ideogram.ai, Krea.ai, Bing.com, Leonardo.ai, FluxPro.ai. You just need to register a free number of these tools and paste the prompt that ChatGPT generates for you. In this video, I use Leonardo. Insert your prompt here and set the aspect ratio to portrait, is 9:16, as shorts look particularly good in this layout. Once you have created your images, download the best images. Repeat this for the second prompt to create a hybrid version of the two creatures. After Leonardo has created these images, just download the best one you like. Okay, that's it for the first pair. The third and fourth prompts that you will use in Step 3 to convert the image into a video. Choose the second pair you like and paste it here. ChatGPT will create 4 more prompts of the second pair for you. Just copy the prompts again and paste them here to generate 2 more images for that pair. When you have enough images for your video, you can proceed to the next step. Step 3. Creating the video animation. Here's where the magic happens. I have tried so many tools, and here are the best 3 image-to-video tools you can use to create your video. HaiperAI, LumalabsAI, KlingAI.com. Just sign in if you do not have an account yet, and paste the prompt that ChatGPT created for you earlier. In this video, I used a KlingAI for a hybrid animal video, which specializes in image-to-video transformation. Upload your first image as the starting frame and the hybrid image as the ending frame. Add the third and fourth prompt. KlingAI will animate the transformation for you. If KlingAI is too slow or giving you trouble, no worries. Alternatives like LumalabsAI or HaiperAI can also do the job. Pro tip: try different animation styles to make your videos unique. Repeat these steps to create the rest of the image for your video. Step 4. Adding the voiceover. To make your shorts even more engaging, let's add a professional voiceover. For this, I recommend using Elevenlabs. It's fast, easy, and offers realistic voice options. For instance, you can generate something like, "Let's look at how the lion and yellow Lamborghini hybrid." You can even experiment with different voice styles to match the tone of your video.
Once upon a time.
The strongest emotion a man.
Click on Generate Speech if you are satisfied with this speech output.
Let's look at how the lion and yellow Lamborghini hybrid.
Once you've created your voiceover, download it and save it for the next step. This step is very important for the type of videos generated by the AI, as I will explain to you later in this video. Step 5. Editing in CapCut. Now it's time to bring everything together in CapCut. Start by adding your first image and set its duration to 2 seconds. Next, insert the animation clip of the transformation. Drag and drop the voiceover under the main video. Insert a text like this: "Lion plus yellow Lamborghini." Add background music to make your video more interesting. Make sure you do not use copyrighted music. You can download free music from the YouTube library. And add fun sound effects, e.g. roar or engine sounds, to make your video more lively and increase viewer attention. Make sure that you set the volume of the sound effects and background music you have added so that the viewer is not disturbed too much. If you cannot find these sound effects in the YouTube library, you can use free sounds from Pixabay.com. Finally, use CapCut's animation and transition tools to enhance your visuals. Pro tip: to add that extra wow factor, use CapCut's filters and effects like thunder or transforming sound. Play around and make your video stand out. You can add the transformer sound when 2 animals merge into one, so that your video looks like a transformer. After you have edited the first pair of animals, add the second pair of animals and continue editing. By following these steps, you can create an animal fusion video. Here is the final result that you can use to upload to your YouTube channel.
Let's look at how the lion and yellow Lamborghini hybrid. Let's look at how the Spider-Man and Gigantopithecus hybrid. Let's look at how the hedgehog and Ophiophagus hybrid. Let's look at how the tiger and crab hybrid. Let's look at how the rhinoceros and heterometrus hybrid. Let's look at how the dragon and shark hybrid.
To outperform the competition in creating your hybrid video and building your channel, don't just stick to lions and cars. Try crazy combinations like a shark and a spaceship, or a flamingo and a drone. Creativity is key. Instead of just saying, "Here's a hybrid," create a mini-story about how this creature was born. For example, once upon a time, a lion got tired of walking and decided to merge with a Lamborghini to become the ultimate road king. When your video is ready, simply click Export to export your video. And here are the most important tips for you to make sure you can make money with your channel once you have taken the step to join the YouTube program. For AI content videos, firstly, make sure you add your own value to the video by contributing your voice, commentary, or personal story. Secondly, if you plan to use AI images or videos for your content video, Make sure you purchase a commercial license so that you can continue to profit from it in the future. This may prove detrimental to you in the future if your channel does not move to monetization. Any images and videos you create and use with a free tool can also be used by others, as they are not private if you have created them. If someone uses the same image or video you created and moves to monetize it before your channel has been switched to monetization, you are at risk because it already belongs to someone else, even if you were the first to create and use it. And there you have it. Everything you need to create amazing hybrid animal shorts that are sure to go viral. Now it's your turn to unleash your creativity and join this exciting trend. Let me know in the comments what hybrids you're planning to create, and don't forget to tag me when you post your videos. I'd love to see them. Also, let me know in the comments which topic video you would like me to create for you in the next video. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss more AI-powered content like this. Until next time, happy creating!